Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the vehicle secure and chocked. Do not skip this. Release interior trim to expose the handbrake lever and top of the cable. You need clear access. Using a socket or wrench, break free the adjuster nut or lock nut. Turn only a quarter turn to start. Once done, test lever travel by pulling until you feel resistance. This gives a baseline. Make sure to note current lever clicks so you can compare after adjustments. You now adjust the cable with deliberate small turns. Tightening reduces lever travel while loosening increases it. After 2 to 3 half turns, pull the handbrake and count clicks. Aim for 3 to 4 or the multicab spec. If you feel binding or dragging, release the cable slightly and inspect the rear shoes or caliper pins. Once done, operate the lever several times to seat the mechanism and ensure movement is smooth before final testing on a short rollaway. You finish by testing on a gentle incline. Set the vehicle in gear, release foot brake, and confirm it holds without creeping. Next, spin each rear wheel by hand to check for dragging. Excessive drag means you tighten too far or shoe/caliper need freeing. Once done, tighten lock nut and replace trim. If the brake still fails to hold or feels spongy, readjust and free seized parts or plan a cable or shoe replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.